Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the right way to fix live activities taking over your Apple Watch problem. If live activities keep hijacking your Apple Watch screen, you are not alone. In watchos 26, the Smart Stack is designed to surface helpful, real-time info with a quick scroll up the digital crown. It's smart, sometimes a little too smart. Thankfully, there's a neat way to prevent live activities from taking over your entire Apple Watch screen. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first you have to launch the Settings app on your Apple Watch. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Smart Stack option. Then select Live Activities. After that, you have to disable the toggle for Auto Launch Live Activities. Once disabled, Live Activities won't automatically replace your watch face. Note that they will still be available in the Smart Stack, and you will just need to scroll up to view them manually. And now, I'm going to show you how to perfectly customize which apps can show live activities on your Apple Watch. From the same live activities settings page, you can choose which apps are allowed to display them. For third-party apps, open the Watch app on your iPhone and adjust live activities settings there. This way you can keep the updates you actually care about while blocking the ones that clutter your entire screen. And if it's mainly media control that bother you, just head over to the media apps within the Smart Stack settings. Then you can turn off live activities completely, or under auto launch settings, choose off or Smart Stack instead of automatic display. With these tricks, your Apple Watch will stay focused on your watch face and only show live activities when you actually want them. Now that you have unlocked these pretty neat methods, make the most of them to take control of live activities and use them perfectly to your heart's liking without cluttering your Apple Watch screen. And I'll catch you up in the next one.